them boat come out, man. You know,
man.
They park over side. You see that? Come over there. Be a farming and go on down there.
Oh, which part is name?
This a name, something like
Tachwa.
Jamaica Good Life. I just passed through Little Portmore and Tachwa.
We're going Tachwa now.
Tachwa.
Yeah.
We're coming from Guts River.
Guts River.
Yeah.
Alright.
Straight through Alligator
We'll
Park.
carry through the hills first. Hills and the valley.
Wow.
Yeah.
And now road.
Now we're carrying on the road. There's a road chair. Yeah. Skelly and all of them.
This is a journey. Every crevice and corner in Jamaica. So it goes. People just live them life for the shop.
Yeah.
You know what I say? Everybody just live them life nice and easy.
Oh, yeah.
the place, what that place name?
Tachwa.
Tachwa. Yeah. Where I see some place in Jamaica. Wow. Tachwa. So this is going towards resource?
Yeah, we are going Mali, then we go
Mali Hill.
Yeah.
Then Cocoa, then resource.
So brother, look on the view, man. Jamaica Good Life. See the people? Yeah, man. Yeah. Brother, 20 miles of walk today. About 25, right? Cause we walk 5 on the thing.
Walk a good way come up to.
Yes.
Yeah,
you calculate that.
Surprise me.
You're not surprised.
Yeah, you surprised me.
No, I look for someone I walk and come to together. I may have it in our minds, kill not dead with.
So wait, they're not even Kevin phone at work?
Kevin
But
have
she dead,
phone.
man.
Kevin have phone.
But
Jesus,
she
God,
dead.
God be like first. How move you? When then you?
Oh.
How you get it?
That's
Right,
it.
New Year's, man.
So if we did not go on a big mission, we'll not get we killed.
That's deep, man. Deep,
Wherever.
So you are boy with Kevin here, right? Yeah. But don't know that you will go on a train. That's all.
You go under what?
Training.
Training.
That's where you go on a chain when you have power.
Hard balls.
Yeah. Round ball. You see it now?
Hard ball. The round ball, they not really fun. Hard ball.
Okay. Training.
Yeah.
So every time we spar, you are just.
No, man, we have times when we're not train, man.
You're not
We're just
trained.
easy, you know?
Okay.
But like today, first journey.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we have to exercise the brain and test the abilities.
Oh, I'm serious. Did we pass the test?
Yes, man. When we did
Flying party that.
no bad, can be finding up on the road and walk same way. So
Yeah.
we love the walking, you know?
Okay.
We have our next journey to take on. Over it. Yeah, man.
We
Yeah,
can't
boy.
get them again.
We are going to drive, go to for next time. I walk around you. So around you there, I go walk on the sand, go around you.
And then we have walk over Godwell.
Yeah,
We're showing Godwell.
yeah.
Where the water go down.
Yeah, come up.
Come up.
Yeah.
Up and down. So if you jump off in that, you know say that's the
come
last
up.
day you live, no? You see God face it die.
So you've been on this psycho journey.
Mr. Man come from all over the world.
Yeah, man.
Eh, if you see it. So you're
And dive off night and never come back out. Never come back out.
alright.
Just leave Godwell alone.
Wow.
Yeah, man. So you're not going there? Man,
yeah,
one
yeah.
dive. We sing grass that, man.
It going there, wouldn't there.
This man come here.
You know, so I appreciate it still.
Yeah.
You have to their own tough people forget tough.
Yeah. You're too soft, man. You see you breathe. One at a time you see you're confused. I say, you are a little journey, man. Look at you. Next thing you have a problem. Yeah, man. Don't worry yourself, man. Yeah.
Yeah, man, you're mentally strong now, man.
Yeah.
My mental is strong now.
Yeah. You will never be the same again.
Nah.
You know, some eat rat on New Year.
Eh? Right?
No, man. Me name
You eat rat too.
No, I'm like that.
Shark, rabbit. Anything you can eat, though.
At least them say them a train me. So when me done the training, me vicious tough.
Yes, man, with what you have already.
You know,
The
say
experience what you have already. I carry one I keep where you see, if anything I run wrong, I say you want a safe place. You just
can't
need.
just go lie down and no worry.
You just go lay down and no worry
You
about
can't
it.
go on a
And nobody
underground
can find it. Underground.
Underground.
And that you want to go hold me and carry you go.
People hold me and carry you.
Well, make you see one big house.
Make you see one big
house.
One palace.
Yeah. And when you're doing this, I feel like you want to go be able to just screech and go across the road and want a nice place.
No, you not have to go across the road. Remember, say water in that, you know.
Alright.
All you need to do is walk down in the walkway and you have a swimming pool in your house.
Discover things you never know. Hidden treasures.
Hidden treasures.
Yeah.
So much people never know about Liberty Hall.
Hidden treasure.
Because today was a hidden treasure, you know, because we passed through the spiritual ground.
Yes, man.
And we walked 25 miles. I think Gaza, you know, make the next one, right?
Forward.
By the rest, how you feel, man, Gaza. Believe me, when you go to work tomorrow, you're going to see how
You move mountains.
It's a journey, a little journey.
Okay.
Alright.
The journey does big, man.
Well, if we not tell we not do something, we'll bring the sneakers next time.
Yes.
Yeah, but we never plan.
This is how I think right now. Just put sneakers in your body and tie come out. We don't plan for nothing.
We just
We
move.
make things happen.
Yes, we don't plan things.
Yeah.
Well, at least charge your phones though, bro.
Yeah. That we need to make happen.
But say when I hear one dead in a year one I put it again. So I doesn't move.
No, man, you know, so I have a big charger with me.
Oh, power bank.
Charge up, man. Yeah, man. We can't go on them journey and get lost in the bush, man, now, call, man.
Lucky your phone even pick up. Yeah?
Yo, what I deal with are some real white boy things. We're not real white Jamaicans. Cause the journey we wanna go where we go on today, never in my life to ride. Yo,
Look what them plan.
yo, me did have to stop and rest, you know. Yeah, man, me did have to, but we never did expect it. You see, if me know say I walk 25 miles, but shut my mouth. I hold it, but you keep telling us right around the corner, man. And that mess with your head, because you're heading up a pier feet. And every turn you make, you say, yeah. But you see somebody have to sit down though. I'm not laugh. I'm glad one of those still. Because a man is a man. And you see somebody run. Yeah, me never run at the film. Hey, you never see me no Gaza. Me running up, brother. You see how when the tired hit me, we just running up. Turn on Shaka Zulu and move.
Yo, when you see me, I say, I'm looking at the right. Oh, he's saying a little bit. In that run, you look.
Wow, the one that bring real soldier. No man, I know say I'm going in I go through the ocean still. And I can do it easy now, you know.
Yeah.
Up and back, you know.
Up and back, no.
Yeah, no, for me would I welcome and bring people with me next time. Because now,
you have the awareness.
once I have my nice bobby socks and put on my goggles and comfortable, I rock me. Bye. Yeah, Kevin, me see where you put me to a training. Me no mind it.
Yes,
no, me
man.
know where you deal with.
Yeah.
It's a cave, bats and...
yes, man, I did adventure.
Alright, me see where you deal with.
Kind of cave them did it for your experience, you know? Yeah, and go on night and see the bats.
Oh, Marley.
Yeah, we can't get somebody dinner. I'm Kevin, man.
Yo,
We can't
yeah.
get somebody dinner.
You know, so the house them nice.
Yes, man.
Them have a certain look on them. Them different, but the people them running up pure alcohol can wait for drinks.
That's hard to do them, boy. Drink the cooler hard. You also near me, you know. All the time you also near me. If I don't put on there, I don't feel good.
So Kevin, when violence approach you, how do you deal with it nowadays?
I stump over
If I stab up or if I chop up or chop up, man. And if me have a gun, me shot and move out of it. Yeah?
That's it.
Yeah, if you just deal with your card, do it come. Because if a boy approach me and he chop off piece and me and I kill him, I bore him up with my knife and kill him.
Alright.
Yes,
Good vibes.
Yes, man. But it all depends on the approach. You see, if you approach me with love,
Mm-hmm.
you will get endless amount of love. And if you approach me with violence, you could pop up and live never and nobody want.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I just something wrong.
So are we friendly?
We are talking, man. You turn us.
No, you could have a king going upstairs.
No, Nah,
Go
man.
on around the other side.
Go on, don't turn. You will be fine.
So at what age did you find your rage master?
Rage master.
When year? About 2 months
When I
ago.
was-
About 1 year ago, man.
When I was about 19, after I got jail the first time, me kind of find God.
You find God?
Yeah, man. Because I never know God at the time.
Yeah.
I mean,
Straight?
find God.
No, left.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, find God and it kind of live a Christian life about 3 or 4 years. But after that, you never work on. I couldn't manage. I mean, I had no wife, so this sex kind of jam me out. I did a loss of my flesh. I couldn't know all thing up. Me feel guilty like me not go back to church. So I never go back.
Okay.
Until now, so I just live out there and just go and tug it out in the street. Huh?
You're still thugging?
Yes, man, I tug life nice, you know. Work and maintain myself and, you know.
No, when I say talk life, you have it. Break down that
Badness,
feeling.
man. Fire to Kevin
Yeah.
bad.
No, you're wrong. Because you couldn't have pardoned me if you did that. What kind of badness? You defend yourself when a time.
That's a badness in here.
No, but if you're not trouble, you're not trouble nobody.
I'm not trouble people. No,
Yeah.
I'm not a troublemaker.
Yeah, but you sound like you're just badness.
No, man, I'm not trouble.
Raw, so if you have to defend yourself, you have to defend yourself.
Yes.
Not to run it.
To the fullest.
Yeah.
If a boy
So
have
you're a
stop it,
defender, you're not a bad man.
No, man, I don't walk and
Yeah.
give trouble, man. I don't promote violence, you know.
Okay.
No, I'm not a promoter of violence.
So you defend yourself.
Yes. Humble out.
Yeah.
February me born and nice. Is
Farmer. You're a farmer.
Yes, me farm enough.
Enough.
Yes.
Like what do you plant?
Acres of pumpkin, acres of gum.
I tell you, my tell Kevin.
So you know, you're not telling about melon.
Acres of pump. Are you?
Melon, yeah, man. I mean, I tap pumpkin.
So you stay in the field for keep you calm.
Yes, man.
I bet.
Bush
And I
life.
take you out on the water, you know, we dig out 1 year kind of
1 year kind of 1 day, man.
Yeah.
Just for fun. Yes,
You see, ever since you start up at the power side, oh, God.
She job, me just want to see them clean. To cut them. You understand?
Okay.
I am a workaholic.
And when it comes to the farm,
Yes, man. I love work.
so you
Alright,
can't
see,
find a balance with a woman right now.
We do, man.
Yeah.
You can't manage
I
it.
get too much trouble, man. And that's why I want to live, you know.
With the woman thing that calm him down.
I want to get too much trouble, because I have got one different side of me no way, you know? I have it
Into
more
lovey, man.
TL.
Straight and done, man.
So a woman govern you.
Yeah, woman.
Yeah, man,
If
I'm
I use
jealous,
a
be
woman,
jealous,
I'll lead
man.
him round the
You're
road,
jealous
man.
bad.
Yes.
Yes.
You have a jealous problem.
Yes.
Mama, father, they left you. Who left you in your life? Daddy.
Father never did that for me, man.
Mama never did it.
Mommy.
Mama, mother, did that.
Mama love me, man.
Clock, clock.
Mama love me. What?
So why you so jealous, sir? What happened?
No, like.
You don't think you have the confidence to have any woman and thing?
Nah, man, I just say bullshit. We can't take from me.
You don't feel like if you call you, I don't get you. That's
I
like
Oh.
bad, you know.
Oh, your head not right, so if you call her and you don't get her, your head kick off.
I want next man
really
to feel
make.
like having me, yeah?
Nah, man, me not that insecure. That's a insecure.
Yeah.
Insecure, me say me jealous.
Alright.
Okay.
Like me have all my woman now, me say me love, me no want to see turn up and talk.
So you're one of the youth where a hurt woman in
Yeah,
Jamaica?
man. You know, see me make sure you left them and no have them that me no do them no.
Oh, I see, I see.
Yes.
So if you did have a girlfriend and you see, like me come around the corner and touch her up, what would you do?
Yeah, depends.
Oh, you're my beat, man. Tell us I'm my beat.
Gas low, you know, hope we can get some gas low.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
So this is Kevin, people, to the world.
Yes, man, Kevin.
So if the world see that video,
I have no problem.
your enemies them now can come for you.
Enemy have to be careful of you. Yeah, man.
So you don't have to beg them forgiveness.
Beg. God, no one beg forgiveness. And if you not have it, nobody is not have it.
But I love where I defend on this program, you know that.
Love. The whole aim is love.
Yes.
Yes. Love and love.
So you're farming, you change your life over to farming.
Yes. From an idler on the street to a
Yes.
farmer.
Straight.
Yes.
How
Idler.
far construction work?
Okay, so resource.
Yes. I'm skilled in everything. Anything, any task set in front of me, me can do.
Okay,
Me never yet tell myself, so me can.
got
You
it.
understand?
It can be
I
done.
can.
Yeah.
I'm a motto from school days, it can be done.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh,
I grew up with that kind of mentality.
It can be done.
No matter
Okay.
what task, if I some steel work, if I do, if I farming, if I do, if I anything, It
can be done.
It can be done.
Well, you can get a wife and calm yourself
can
down.
be done.
It can be done. So
Can
focus on that.
Yes.
You have youth?
No.
All right, it can be done.
It can be done.
Is you get some youth, get a woman and... No, man, it can be done.
Yeah, it can be done.
Do it.
Yes.
And that's when you calm and you elevate as a man when you get a woman and you say, you know
I have
what?
to think different.
Just marry her, you know.
Yeah.
It can be done.
Would I take care of woman them? But
Then
just,
do it, man.
just respect, man.
No, man, don't worry about that. Just put the ring on her finger, lock it in, and don't worry whatever she does.
I said, alright.
And if somebody does something to you another time, find another one. It can be done.
It can be done.
So if you find another, don't worry about one.
It
A
can
woman
be
had
done.
a good balance, you know.
That's true.
But if you keep worry, say them are going to hurt you and worry, say them are going to cheat and... No, man, it can be done. Just next.
That's true.
You have to look on life like a ladder. You see, if one of the damn step broke, you just step up and go up and keep moving, brother.
Yeah, we can see them, so we are going to kill it.
It can be done. So much fitness you have. Where we there now?
Cocoa walk. Right, that's a Bali funeral. Yeah.
Best friend. Remember Kes?
Kes Copeland?
Yeah.
So we're there a resource right now?
No, you're there Cocoa.
Cocoa Walk. People, we're going to some places I've never been. Give thanks for the journey, my brethren.
Yes, man.
This is Jamaica Good Life, and all we need now is a good wife. Kevin, I wish for you nothing but a good woman. You see what I say? Because in life, brother,
We deserve.
a woman can really...
Change a man.
You see me?
Outlook of life.
I will give thanks for your truth and give thanks for you share your truth with us. We cut out some of the bad word, but we give thanks for your truth, brother. We wish you safety and success. So that's what we are dealing with. Safety and success.
That's me.
You see what I say? So we really respect your energy and the journey where you bring up on. Cause
Positive outlook towards life.
we get to know someone new who's a farmer, and the man say him do it by the acres.
Acres of acres.
Wow.
When we are bank of papers from papers.
Yeah.
Okay.
From bricks, hundreds.
From farming.
From farming.
So what you say is the most profitability in farming that you do?
Me plant pumpkin, potato, everything. So every morning,
Mm-hmm.
to my own, everything just going to add up, you know.
So you're saving right now?
Yes, I just February alone, me not save, because every day I'm my birthday. Yeah, but me save 11 months a year. I take 1 month for myself, because I'm my birthday month.
Okay, got it.
If me get 5 million now,
Got
I
it.
endorse it to the fullest.
Got it.
And if me get 1,000, then I endorse it to the fullest.
Brothing.
My month, so I do what I want in my month.
Got
Whereas
it.
them other month, 11 months of the year, I save.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Work
So-
and save.
So basically, what's your goal for saving? How?
Yeah.
Well, Jamaica
My aim
Good
in
Life.
life-
See Kevin, yeah. Go on,
Yeah,
show.
my aim in life is to get a good wife,
Mm-hmm.
start my family,
Mm-hmm.
build a house,
Yeah.
so the wife and the family can stay,
Yeah.
and go and live, and work and take care of them to the best of their ability,
Got it.
to the best. You understand?
So you're born in February. How old are you?
Man. I'm 27 years old.
27. So you have enough more life to live, brother.
Life,
So stay in resource. Don't go get no trouble nowhere else.
yeah, man, trouble no day in my thoughts, right?
Good.
Yeah.
So Gaza, what do you think about Kevin?
You're up running.
Him up and running. But like the amount of farming you do.
Yes, man. I want them. I go make you come on where them?
Jamaica Good Life.
Jamaica Good Life and farm. And see. Yeah.
Wow.
Make you see me produce.
I go slow.
And see how me do the whole thing.
Everything.
So you say from the streets to the farm.
Streets to the farm.
Wow.
Yeah. How to cultivate the land and make money out of it. Instead of sitting down and looking at the land,
Yeah.
make something out of the land.
Wow.
That's my outlook in life, and that's my aim in life. Till the soil and make millions.
It
Take
can
care
be
of it.
done.
It can be done.
Have you ever touched $1 million from the farm money yet?
What you talking
Eh?
One crop.
So you can teach the youth them?
Yes, man. One crop.
It can be done.
Pepper at $400 a pound.
And it was done.
And it was done. Me I carry now 600,000 one night from farming. Me I sell over 500,000.
Hold on,
one
let me
day.
put on the light. Alright, so we're there with the master. See him there? The man named Kevin is a farmer. From the streets to the farm.
Yes.
Right now the man bring me on training and make me walk 25 miles.
Yeah.
He might test me to see if
Good
I have the
exercise,
capacity. I know the man tell me say him farm how many acres?
More than 15 acres of land.
Eh?
Potato, sweet pepper, pumpkin, just in large quantities.
And you used to be a terrible bad man.
Yes, man.
Terrible.
The first time I get locked up an unlawful wounding.
What's that I mean? Explain the gangster life to me.
Beat a man out of machete till it bend na S, man.
Eh?
Yeah? Beat it till it bend na S.
How many guns have you fired? Any SLRs? I'm just kidding. Dog, watch yourself.
Them they are serious.
Serious.
Yeah,
But you were
like,
terrible.
yes, man. Like, I go out on my farm now, I'm in my mood to go do some work and you come with the bullshit. Me use my machete by instead I go do it on the farm.
Got it. So you go to the farm every morning, what time?
I wake 5:30 every morning.
Every morning.
Every morning. I make sure I'm out by 6.
And what you drink for tea?
Tea, water for tea.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what time you come back?
6 in the evening, see you, man. Just
Eh?
like the time I went at night now.
So wait there.
Left, push them.
You don't come back 2 o'clock,
No,
noon?
man, me no. You see, when me have do my farming,
Yeah,
me
yeah.
not have time for the road. Me focus on my thing. Leave and make sure I get my food from overnight when I go want to carry me through the day.
Yeah.
And if me I go smoke and I want something to drink, me get that from overnight.
Yes, yeah.
Prepare myself and go on my farm and do my thing.
Okay.
And night carry me home because I don't have my wife in. So
Got it.
me spend fear time with me for give her a TLC or something in the farm making some money.
Mm-hmm. And then
I use my time wisely.
you stack your papers.
Stop my papers, yes.
And February you spend everything.
February me spend if me make 10,000 today, I'm gonna spend it now.
But
In February alone.
you mean say everything you make for the whole year you spend now 1 month?
No, that's in the savings.
Yeah.
I'm work every day, I can.
7 days a week.
7 days a week, if I can. As long as the work is available,
Yeah.
I will be there.
So you're on the farm all the time or do you get day work?
High school listener.
No, like no, we prepare land like this, like in February now.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm prepared for the March, April rain.
Yes.
So from the 15th of March now, we sow nurseries
Yeah.
and stuff because the land clean out and start dig out the land and fertilize it
Yeah.
to get the suckers to plant.
Uh-huh.
So it's a process. It's
Yeah.
not just a hurry come up, you prepare.
Mm-hmm.
You understand me? When you prepare now,
Uh-huh.
and when rain start fall, you plant your stuff. And me have a van where if rain not fall, me use the van and carry my water.
And water the thing there.
Yes,
you
and
do
water
catch
my
crop.
crops.
So give me all the flavor of crops you plant.
You catch crop now like, alright, hot pepper, sweet pepper, tomato.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes we plant cabbage.
Mm-hmm. Organic stuff?
Yeah, organic.
You don't do no pesticide.
No, them because we mostly plant that to eat.
Got
So we
it.
don't put nothing on that.
And what you spray upon them to get rid of the thing?
We use like carrot chucks and karachi.
What is that?
Some insecticide.
But they're not they're not.
No, them not harmful to the after.
Where do you get that?
No, we get it at the farms.
So Gaza, you know about that?
Yeah, we have a link with the farm store, like.
So these are natural. Tell me about that, Marcus. Them natural?
It's not natural, but
You know, naturally, no.
we cabbage now. Boy, if you know,
Okay, you have
Cabbage.
to touch it up
Yeah.
with some things.
A lot of chemicals.
but if you have neem would have be best for the cabbage because you can drink all the neem, you know.
Uh-huh.
You get me? So that would be best.
So Gavi, do you make a lot of neem, or the neem is hard to make?
we make a lot of neem, man.
So neem is what you can use just naturally for just spray anything and it good.
Yeah.
Right.
Huh?
Vanilla.
Maybe a rest store or rest.
No, with the cross keys.
The grass, we go get gas.
I will get gas.
So see
Like
the
gas
line, they
station.
join the line.
Yeah.
Okay.
So go for the white one.
Yeah. I mean, after hours, you know. Gas station soon lock them or something.
Potato they put out with our man.
Yeah.
Wow.
See the man them are them producing.
Wow.
Potatoes. Nice potatoes.
So what may I learn about you, Kev, is something the world would I never know.
Yeah. Cause mostly me not really on me on
What's
Advert-
a white can,
You know,
Instagram,
advertise
no.
it.
Yeah, but me
No,
not
but
advertise.
it's a white one,
Watch me now.
Wow. Interesting, brother.
Yes, man, it's an interesting adventure, man. Kevin
How
Life.
far I'm from your one, Kevin?
Miles, man.
Next week.
Oh.
Let's take a walk.
Walk. And that's time you know, walk
A
too
big
much.
walk.
You know. I dey walking mostly, me can't keep on no weight because me have to exercise. Me man.
Okay, so why don't you keep on the farm so far?
No, it's
where
where the
the
land
farmer
provision
is,
is. It's where the farming land is.
Mm-hmm.
It's not like we don't want to stay home and do it, but we're not enough land to produce the amount of money we would want to make.
Got it.
Yeah.
So,
My local land space can give me 600,000 in a one day.
Awesome.
Me have like 6-7 customers that come, and then after me done sell, after me done feed me workers them and something.
got
Me
it.
can see 700,000, me can sleep. And some me have money sometimes that me can't shut me eye view on.
Where is it?
God know I'm afraid to sleep. Yes,
So make sure you're saving up, brother.
yes, man. Me save, man.
Get your van and do your
Yes,
thing.
and
And...
2 van me have.
Eh?
2 van, man.
2 van?
2 van, man.
You buy?
Yeah.
Pick up van?
First year me going to farming.
So why am I have to pay a van for bring the man them come farm if you have van?
No, they're in a service now.
Okay.
Yeah. Because I'm going to rest now, huh?
Mm.
I have enough in I savings.
If my one man, me just get him.
Kevar, get the money.
Oh.
Wow. Interesting life,
Interesting
brother.
life, yes,
Interesting, man. Interesting, man.
And one day, hopefully, me I gonna make a company farm and, you know,
We have to
we
see
can
it,
show
man.
the world.
I have
what
to
me
see
a
it
do.
because, you know, a man would never know.
Yes, true.
And the way I explain it is a good
Yes, man.
formula.
Yes, man. You can make life out of farming. Life can make out of farming. I can tell you that. I remember days when $20,000 a day just spend drinking and idling and loan. Farming make me could have able to do 20, 30.